Oxygen, pure oxygen, is non-toxic, it's non-narcotic, it's 100% safe for inhalation, obviously. It's for aerobic recovery, it's for better performance, and it's for better results. People use us for myriad reasons, everything from professional athletes to senior citizens, just to people who are visiting altitude or hiking up mountains. It helps you recover faster and improve your performance. There's only 21% oxygen in the air. A lot of people don't understand that. 21%, most of it is 78% nitrogen, which is inert and essentially useless to help people thrive and survive. And when people become deficient in oxygen, that's when Boost Oxygen can help. Our slogan from the very beginning also is "Help is here." Oxygen simply helps, and we make it available anywhere you want it. Top of the mountain, on the beach, at the pool, wherever you are. Boost Oxygen, help us here. Thank you.
To find out more about Boost Oxygen and where you can purchase it, visit boostoxygen.com.